Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya once again. Today I am going to be showing you how to make prawn caldine curry. It's a Goan style recipe, so let's get started. To make prawn caldine curry, take a mixer jar, add freshly grated coconut, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, few cloves, some garlic, a small piece of tamarind, 2 green chilies, a small spoon of turmeric powder and some water. Grind it into a fine paste. Then filter the mixture to extract the flavored coconut milk. Repeat the same procedure by grinding the leftover paste by adding some more water. Next, in a pan, heat some oil, add chopped onions, saute it until it gets translucent, then add slices of ginger. Also add chopped tomatoes and saute it for some more time. Now add the filtered coconut milk to the pan and allow it to cook. Add fresh prawns to the mixture and allow it to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes in a low-medium flame. Add a teaspoon of pepper powder to the curry. You can even add some peppercorns while grinding the coconut along with the other ingredients, but I am adding pepper powder here. Next, add some salt to taste. Then, add some fresh coconut cream. It also thickens the curry and adds good flavor to it. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves to garnish. Our simple yet tasty prawn caldine curry is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.